You help me cooking, okay? Now you give for me 2 cow in the fridge. 2
Madam?
cow in the fridge, give it for me. Faster, faster, I'm the cooking now. Why you're slow, why? I'm the faster now. The clock running, I'm the eating, why?
No, madam. I
Why you're no see? If I'm the see now. You're looking very good, faster.
Madam, this
Yes,
one?
yes. Why too much no understanding? Bodoy, your English too much, very far. Why? You're graduating or no?
I'm graduating, madam.
Why you're no understanding what I'm the talking for you? I'm the talking for you small.
Your English, madam, no understanding.
Hey. My English for you talking very small. Bodoy,
Madam?
I forget